Hide and Seek 1, Unit 3, Lessons 3 and 4. 4. 4. Triangle, triangle. How many sides are there? A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. How many triangles are there? There are 2 triangles. There are 2 triangles. How many triangles are there? There are 4 triangles. There are 4 triangles. How many triangles are there? There are 10 triangles. There are 10 triangles. 5. 5. Kangaroos, kangaroos. Chairs, chairs. Pencils, pencils. Kites, kites. Table, table. Children, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kangaroos, chair, pencil, kite, table, children. How many kangaroos are there? There are 2 kangaroos. How many chairs are there? There are 3 chairs. There are 3 chairs. How many pencils are there? There are 4 pencils. There are 4 pencils. How many kites are there? There are 3 kites. There are 3 kites. How many tables are there? There is 1 table. There is 1 table. How many children are there? There are 5 children. There are 5 children. Great job. Goodbye.